Hello, I'm Liam, and I'll guide you through today's tutorial. I'll show you how to create an invoice in Fynlo and send it to your customer's email for reference. You may start by clicking on the shortcut function located on the upper right corner of screen after the notification bell icon. This will take you to the actual blank invoice form. You may also go to the invoice form by clicking on Income located in the left menu pane and then choose Invoices. Under Client Name, you can create a new name if you have not listed one yet. In this case, since Ava is one of Brett's regular customers, he can just type in her name from the down menu. The date fields are dependent on your preference but usually pertains to your product or service delivery date, along with the preset due date of Ava. The Item Details section is where you indicate the service or the product. You can also include any relevant document as a form of an attachment. As you are nearing the completion of the form, you may click on Save, which will lead you back to the previous screen, or you may send it right away to Ava's email address. Thank you for completing this module. Feel free to reach us at any of these handles for further assistance. Fynlo, your partner in making your financial chaos into clarity.